So 4th grade into math lesson 12.5 part 2. Attention precision. The sales tax on $31 is $2.17. Shade the hundreds miles to show this amount of sales tax. So we have our $2.17, guys. So if I would write this as a decimal, what would that be? I'd write 2 and it's the decimal spot, right? And then 17, correct? Okay, so how many whole boxes are we shading in? 2. So 2 whole boxes we're shading in. And then how many of the third one? How many tenths? How many full columns? 1. And how many of the second column? 7. Okay, so they want us to write that as a decimal. Did we do that up here already? To kind of help us. So 2.17. Okay, now they want us to name the bills and coins that could be shown with the sales tax. Okay. Okay, so last time we drew a picture, if I did, so I would have $2 bills, right? Okay. Then what would I have for my 17 cents? How many tens do I have? 1. So 1 dime, right? And then what I do? What would I do for 7 cents? 1 nickel, and then 2 pennies, right, guys? Or if I would write that over here, 2 $1 bills, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. Write the fraction or mixed number shown by the money. So let's go ahead and write out what we have here, guys. So how much is a quarter? 25. A nickel, or sorry, not a nickel, a dime is 10. A penny is 1. Okay, so if I write this with money amount, I have $1 and 25, 35, 45, 46, 47. $7.47. So how am I going to write that as a mixed number? What's my whole number? 1. And then I have 47 out of 100. So 1 in 4,700. Okay, so we're going to skip number 5 just because we're short on time. Name bills and coins that can represent the fraction or mixed number. Then write the decimal dollar amount. Okay, so I feel like kind of going backwards would be easier to write the decimal dollar amount. So I'm going to put a dollar sign. Do I have a whole number? No. So I put what? 0 to hold my spot. And then what out of 100? 76. Okay. Now, least amount of coins. Do I need quarters? Yes. How many? 2. So 2 quarters. And then 2 quarters gets me how much? Is it just 2 quarters? No. 3 would be better, right? Because how much is 3 quarters? 75 cents. So 3 quarters and 1 penny. And does that get me 76? Yes. Okay. Remember, with money, you want the least amount of coins, right? To give somebody. You can give them more coins and still get the same amount, but is that how you should do it? No, least amount. Okay, so over here, I'm going to put my dollar sign. Do I have a whole number? Yes. What is it? 2 decimal and then 72. So $2.72. So how many $1 bills? 2 $1 bills. Okay. Then I need the 72 cents. How many quarters? 3 quarters gives me 75. So is that going to work? No, just 2. Okay, so 2 quarters. And 2 quarters gives me what? 50 cents. So if I take 72 minus 50, what's that? What's left over? 22, right? Okay, so how many dimes? Okay, so 2 dimes. And 2 dimes equals what? 20 cents, right? So we have 22 cents minus 20 cents, which leaves us with how much? 2. So 2 pennies. So 8/100 of $1. So do I have a whole number? No, so I put a 0. Do I have 10 place value? No, so I put a 0, and then I can put my 8. So I for sure have to go 2 places after the decimal, so I go all the way to hundreds, right, guys? Okay. So do I need any dollar bills? Nope. Quarters? Nope. Dimes? Nope, because that's 10 cents, so we're not even up there yet, right? Nickels? Yep. 1 nickel. And what? How many pennies? 3 pennies. Okay. Number 9. Do I need to put my dollar sign first, right? Do I have any whole numbers? Yes, 1, right? So 1 decimal, and then what do I put after that? 10. Do I need any dollar bills? Yes. Yep. So $1 bill. Do I need any quarters? No. Any dimes? Yes. How many? 1 dime. And then does that cover it? Okay. Number 10, attend to precision. Jake and Winnie count the money shown. Winnie writes the value of the money as 1 50 tenths of $1. Jake writes the value of the money as 1 $1.05. Who is correct? Explain. So we have the dollar. Then how much is this? 25, 10, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So what is 25 plus 10? 35. We got 40, 45, so 50. So we have $1.50, correct? So who is correct? We're just going to talk about it real quick. Who's correct? Is Winnie right? No. No? Is Jake right? No. No. So are either of them correct? No. Okay. So neither one of them are correct. Why is Winnie not correct? What did she forget to do? She said out of tenths, and it needs to be out of hundreds, right? Okay. Because that 0 still represents a space, right? So it should have been out of hundreds, not out of tenths in a fraction. And then why is Jake incorrect? He put 500, right? But it's actually 50 hundredths. So it needed to be written like we had it up here on the top, correct? Okay. All right.